What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning and welcome to your daily SUI update. I felt like I had to make one today. This is the first one we're doing on the 1 hour time frame and a lot happened. We had a little bit of a crash. Yes, I'm calling it a crash. I mean, we had a sudden movement of what? Like in total to the bottom, like 15%. That's quite a lot. So I wanted to talk about that, what caused that and what's next. I mean, in the end, we spiked down to around 1.1 and 1.09, excuse me. I have a little bit of a troubled eye. So we dropped down to that level. However, we are still dropping. We're still not bullish. We are still not really recovering. So we'll talk about that. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me and join in our profits, last week we had another amazing week, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now on to SUI. So the thing is that yesterday we already started dropping with SUI this was actually during the night. Yeah. So what happened, what usually happens on Sunday to Monday is that on Sunday and in the weekend, the volume starts dropping quite rapidly. So you can also see that for SUI over the weekend, which was the 6th and the 7th. Like right there at the beginning of the weekend, it was still around like 600 million. And at the end, it was around 250 million. So then yesterday, big institutions and whales started selling, and they started selling big amounts of money while the volume was low. So it has more price impact. So then you get crashes like this. Now, apart from that, it was also not necessarily expected for SUI, but it was a possibility. I mean, yesterday we already talked about the possibility of dropping down to these levels around 1.2. And right now, I mean, this is also a good thing. I mean, SUI is right now at around a 600 million market cap with a circulating supply that's still relatively high. However, it's still, there are some opportunities, I think. So what I think will happen now is that, as you can see, if we're diving into the technicals, is that you can see that we found a little bit of support here around 1.15, which is obviously a psychological level, a small one, but still it is. And altogether, what I expect throughout the markets right now is a little bit more bearish momentum. I expect Bitcoin and the whole market to drop down a little bit further. So for SUI, that means that for now, I think the main support level will be this level between 1.1, even though that isn't the key level I drew, but between 1.1 and 1.05. I think that's going to be the support level that will hold us for at least a little bit. Then from there, because most of you know that I do expect SUI to rally at some point of time, from there we will see if that's going to be the last support level or if we need to drop down all the way to $1. And the way you can see that is if we can get some bullish momentum from that level, right? So if we can form some higher lows, if we can get some nice bullish breakout, for example, above 1.15, then all right, this is probably going to be our last support. And at some point we will rally. Now, how long it would take before we will rally really is hard to say. I mean, for example, with Aptos, which is a very similar crypto to SUI, what you saw is that the rally, like the big rally, it launched in October, kind of towards the end, and the big rally started in the beginning of January, so it took 2 months. It is very possible that it can take so long as well. But you also saw with Aptos, like around 3 weeks, a little bit over 3 weeks after the launch, we actually hit our, we didn't hit our bottom, but then we started our consolidation. And then because of the market, we dropped down a little bit lower, but then we started the rally. So I do expect that rally, but for now it's still waiting for a solid support and a consolidation. And for now, I think we'll drop down to 1.05 and 1.1. I think we got a great chance to actually find support there, but I will also keep you updated on that level. And if we do not get some bullish momentum from there or some sort of a bullish breakout, we'll probably drop down to $1. But as I said, I'll keep you updated. For now, this is my take. Enjoy your week and Monday. Thanks for watching and bye.